Good morning everyone. My name is Devyani and I am studying in class 9. My today's topic is atoms and molecules. A matter. A matter has a occupied space and has some mass is called matter. But what matter is made up of? The matter is made up of atoms. Atoms is the smallest unit made up of one nucleus and electrons. This is very small that we can't see from our naked eyes. In fact, the atoms is evenly small than the head of pin. Some atoms are freely, so they combine with each other and form the nucleus. A molecule. A molecule is a group of atoms which freely exist in the nature and have properties like this. One oxygen molecule and two hydrogen molecule make H2O means water. Second topic, laws of chemical combination. The molecules, the atoms follows three strict rules. First, the law of conversion of mass. This law means that example, we burn magnesium, we burn 2.4 gram in exactly in oxygen 1.6 gram. The magnesium oxide we will get of 4.0 gram. This means the mathematical equation are in there. Second, the law of constant propagation. This means an atom or a molecule is in the fixed ratio. Means oxygen has 16 has a weight of 8 and hydrogen is of 1 unit. So this ratio will be 1:8. Third, the law of multiple propagation. This for example, this means we take two atoms, carbon and oxygen. So carbon is of 12 gram and oxygen is 16 gram. So these two makes carbon monoxide. From the second part, carbon is 12 gram and oxygen is 32 gram. This makes carbon dioxide. This law means carbon is the fixed and two oxygen molecules. Here is one oxygen molecule and here is two oxygen molecules. So if we take 16:32, it simplifies to 1:2. Third, Dalton atomic theory and its limits. In 1803, British scientists give the Dalton's atomic theory. John Dalton gave Dalton atomic theory. He stated that every matter is made up of indivisible atoms, and that atoms मतलब कि अगर हम लोग गोल्ड को लेते हैं, गोल्ड में जितने भी एटम्स हैं वो इंडिविजिबल रहते हैं. और ये अगर हम इसको अगर एक गोल्ड का एक ब्रिक है, उसको हम अगर उसे मेल्ट करते हैं, उसे कुछ दूसरा बनाते हैं, तो गोल्ड तो वही रहेगा बट उसका स्टेट चेंज हो जाएगा. वैसे ही उसका एक और है थ्योरी है जो कि ये जितने भी आइटम्स है इसके अंदर, इसका एक परफेक्ट मास है. It has but why it has some limits. First, he cannot describe the chemical bounding, and second, later the scientists are discovered that atoms are distributed in protons, neutrons and electrons. He does not know subatomic particles. Third, he cannot describe isophags, means which an atom has slightly different masses. एक ही कोई एलिमेंट रहता है, उसी में ही उसके ही जो अलग अलग जो एटम्स रहते हैं उनके थोड़े बहुत अलग मासेस रहते हैं. Second, the types of molecules. First, the molecules of elements. The molecules of elements means that the group of atoms which is only one type of atom, means oxygen. 3 oxygen molecules make ozone, means O3. The second is molecules of covalent compounds. This type of molecules are means oxygen is 1 and hydrogen is 2. This made up of one or two different atoms, and this is made up of only one type of atom. Third, ions and ionic compounds and their properties. What will happen when atoms did not share its electrons but can transfer fully? Here the formation of ions, positive ions. We will take Na molecule which has shells 281. So if one electron is loses, so it will take Na plus. Second, the formation of ion. And here we will take Cl. So here shells is 287. Here is so it gains the one electron. So caloric ion Ca minus will 288 means so if it so NaCl they are positive and negative ions compound each other with their electrostatic force. So this made the NaCl. The properties of ions and ionic compounds. These are little solid or little solid and dissolves in water easily. If we take NaCl, means common salt, common table salt, we will mix. It will not conduct electricity when it is in the solid form. If we mix in the water, so the ions will be freely, and Na will another and Cl will another. It has plus and it has negative charge. So the electricity will conduct easily in this. Next, writing chemical formula, molecular mass and formula masses. If we take writing a chemical formula, if we take magnesium and chlorine, so their valencies are so their valencies are 2, 1 or 2. So write their valency under their right. This method is called criss-cross method. So we will cross it, and this magnesium goes to 1 and NaCl goes to 2. This is the neutral formula of this. Second, muscular mass or formula mass. Muscular mass means when the sum, if we take one element or a molecule, if we take like अगर हम लोग लेते हैं ऑक्सीजन, मतलब लेते हैं H2O, तो इसके 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स रहते हैं. इसका वेट रहता है 16U और इसका रहता है 1U. So this formula became 2 into 1 plus 16 is equal to 18 द टू जहाँ पे दो हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल्स को डिफाइन करता है। सेकेंड फार्मूला मास, यूनिट फार्मूला मास। इसमें क्या होता है, मतलब Na होगा 33.5 और Cl होगा 26। तो ये इसका जो भी इक्वल्स टू बनेगा वो उस पूरे कंपाउंड का रहेगा। how we understand the writing formulas, ions and ionic compounds, Dalton atomic theory, or atoms and molecules. If so next time, if we add some pinch of salt in our food or take a sip of water, remember that everything in this universe has the roles of molecules and atoms behind the scenes. Thank you.